Our other big story tonight involves your money. It turns out the IRS is auditing fewer Americans than they have in 15 years. But tonight, tax experts have a warning.
ABC Action News reporter Isabel Rosales with the 3 most common mistakes that can land you in some serious trouble.
Americans are seeing a lot less of these letters as budget cuts dwindle the IRS's agents. The latest data shows you have just a 0.6% chance of facing an audit. But tax expert Karen Gargiulo warns it's nothing to celebrate.
Bottom line is the honest folks are paying more as a result of the fraud.
She says, don't try and cheat the IRS.
Fraud is not worth it.
Even without the manpower, there's still plenty of ways you can get caught.
Penalties will incur, interest will incur, and you may dig yourself a hole that's very difficult to come out of.
She wants you to know the 3 most common stunts, cheats, and mistakes to avoid. Coming in at number 1 is not reporting or underreporting your income. That often shows up on your 1099.
They have software that's doing the matching, so behind the scenes, whether or not there's somebody knocking on your door asking for your tax returns and your box of receipts, you're going to be getting a letter that says you've understated your income.
The IRS knows how much you made last year, and your employer will also report your wage. Next up, feeling charitable. Keep receipts.
If you are intentionally exaggerating your charitable contributions, you need to be careful because the IRS is possibly doing a match to see if your income level is one that would normally give $10,000.
And use your car for work? Here's one that's easy to mess up.
The most common mistake with mileage is that for a lot of people it becomes a guessing game at the end of the year because they're not keeping the proper documentation.
This 35-year tax pro cautions when it comes to the IRS, just don't mess with them. In St. Pete, I'm Isabel Rosales, ABC Action News.